All right, welcome to week 4. You are past the halfway point, so great job. This week, we're going to be looking at energy resources and at waste disposal. So, for your discussion this week, you have a choice of 2 prompts. Okay, so you can write about either one. You can either suggest some energy resources for your community and then one that you think that your community should not use and defend your answers. Or you can read a section in your book and explore solutions to reduce our energy consumption. So, we talk about hidden energy drains, and this is a really nice read and something that's good for everybody to think about. So, you can choose which of those that you want to respond to. Make sure that you read the assignment carefully, okay, so that you're responding correctly. For your response post, I would like for you to respond to one of each of those if enough people have written about both. If not, you can respond to both the same. But again, make sure that you read the assignment carefully before you respond. Most of you are doing a lovely job and are really writing to the assignment. Those of you that have not gotten the points that you would like for your responses, the biggest problem is not reading the assignment carefully. So for your discussion, read your assignment, go ahead and choose your prompt and respond to it. Okay, so that's your first thing is your discussion board as always. Your second thing is your fact sheet. So this week, your fact sheet is very directed. There is a website that you need to go to, okay? And please use the link in this announcement because sometimes these links change and I have just checked it and this is the correct link in this announcement. So please use this link. And there are specific questions for you to answer. It's about electricity generation and consumption in your state. So, what's being generated, how much, what your state ranks and compares with the rest of the nation. So please try to answer all of those questions for your fact sheet. So like I mentioned, we're doing both energy and waste disposal this week. So for your fact sheet, you can either find something in your area about electricity generation or consumption or something else related to energy. Or you can look at waste disposal. So maybe you have a landfill somewhere near you, something like that. All right. So hopefully you are comfortable now with your field log issue papers. Hopefully you're comfortable with your fact sheets and your discussion boards. Everybody's work so far is looking pretty good. Um, if you have any questions, just go ahead and email me. I will respond quickly, and I look forward to reading your work. Also, at this point, you should be thinking about your final project. Okay, so if you haven't already read through your final project, you really need to do it now. You have now created most of the parts of your final project. And so this week is the time to go ahead and open up your field log template. I have attached a field log template to this announcement. So please go ahead and open it. It is attached to this announcement. It also is listed under your field log final assignment. So there's a link in either place. All you need to do is use that template and input the assignments that you have already done directly into that template. There are a few other parts that you will need to write next week, okay? A little bit. So you'll have a synthesis portion, and then you will have a portion where you look at some other area and compare it to yours. But most of the rest of the stuff comes from work that you have already done. Yay. So if I were you, I would go ahead, open that template, start to put in your other work. And if you got an A on it, go ahead and put it in like it is. It's good. If you did not get an A, then I would make the recommended changes and then go ahead and put it in. And again, if you have any questions, email me and I'm happy to work with you. Okay, I hope you guys all have a great week and happy learning.